Hello, good morning, kids. Today you are going to answer the question, how old are you? And practice the numbers. So now let's look and listen to a video.
English Sing Sing. Theme 15. How old? Dialogue.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Wow, a talking bird.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 5.
I'm 5. I'm 5.
Wow, he's cute. Wow,
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, my big sister is 8. Is she okay?
How smart.
Song.
How old are you? I'm 5 years old. How old is your brother? He is 7 years old. How old is your sister? She is 11 years old. How old is your pet dog? It is 12 years old.
Okay, did you enjoy it? Yes. Now please take out your pupils book and open your pupils book on page 6. Pupils book, page 6. Good. Activity 5. Listen and point. Okay, you are going to listen and point. Are you ready? Yes? Okay.
Pupils Book, page 6. 5. Listen and point.
Hello, Mira. Hello, Stella. Hello. What's your name? Susie. How old are you? I'm 3.
How old are you, Mira?
I'm 8. And you?
I'm 6.
Good. One more time. Listen and point.
Pupils Book, page 6. 5. Listen and point.
Hello, Mira. Hello, Stella. Hello. What's your name? Susie. How old are you? I'm 3.
How old are you, Mira?
I'm 8. And you?
I'm 6.
Good. Now listen and answer. Who's he? Yes, he's Simon. And who's she? Yes, she's Susie. Very good. And who is this girl? What's her name? Estella. Yes, she's Estella. And who is she? Yes, Mira. Mira is Estella's friend. Mira, capital M double E R A. Mira. Good. Okay, now let's go to the next activity. Listen and repeat. Ready? Okay.
Pupils Book, page 6. 6. Listen and repeat.
Hello, I'm Simon. I'm 6.
Hello, I'm Simon. I'm 6.
Hello, I'm Mira. I'm 8.
Hello, I'm Mira. I'm 8.
Hello, I'm Susie. I'm 3.
Hello, I'm Susie. I'm 3.
Hello, I'm Stella. I'm 7.
Hello, I'm Stella. I'm 7. Now is your turn. Listen and repeat.
Pupils Book, page 6. 6. Listen and repeat.
Hello, I'm Simon. I'm 6.
Hello, I'm Mira. I'm 8.
Good.
Hello, I'm Susie. I'm 3.
Excellent.
Hello, I'm Stella. I'm 7.
Great job, kids.
Pupils Book, page 6.
And now tell me, how old are you? Yes, very good. Now please take out your activity book and open on page 6. Take out a pencil. Okay? Listen and write the number. Okay? Look, how old is he? Yes, 6. Let's count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How old is the birthday boy? 6. He's 6. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Activity Book, page 6. 5. Listen and write the number. 1,
I'm 6.
2,
Okay, this is the example. Number 2. Listen and write the number.
I'm 3.
3,
I'm 5.
4,
I'm 9.
5,
I'm 7.
6.
I'm 10.
Okay, now listen again. One more time.
Activity Book, page 6. 5. Listen and write the number. 1,
I'm 6.
2,
I'm 3.
3,
I'm 5.
4,
I'm 9.
5,
I'm 7.
6.
I'm 10.
Good. Now let's check the answers. Please take out a red color. Take out a red color. We are going to check the work, okay? Are you ready? Excellent. Good. Number 2. How old is he? 3. Yes, he is 3. How old is she? 5. She is 5. And how old is she? 9. Yes, she is 9. How old is he? 7. Yes, 7. And the last one. How old is she? 10. Yes. 3, 5, 9, 7, 10. Good. Okay, good job. And now let's go to the other activity. Do you like to draw? Yes? Excellent. Draw and write. What are you going to do? Draw and write. Who's she? Yes, she's Stella. And how old is she? Yes, 7. Stella, and she is 7. Now is your turn. Here you are going to draw yourself. Write your name and your age. Aquí van a dibujarse ustedes mismos, ¿ok? And then your name and your age. Enjoy your work, kids. Good. Okay, now we are going to practice the numbers. Do you like to play games? Yes? Okay, let's play a game. Yes. How many ducks can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ducks. Yes. Do you like it? Okay, you can play this game with your family. Okay? Good. Did you enjoy the game? Excellent. Okay, kids. See you on Thursday. A kiss for you. Bye-bye. See you on Thursday. And remember, take care and stay at home. See you. Kisses. Bye-bye.